امکاتتان باش بخیر بین بۆ چانێڵی Learn and Explore. پێشەوەی دەست پێ بکەین ئەویست ئەوەتان پێ بڵم کە ڤیدیۆکەی دەربارەی خۆمان بوو تەواومان کردووە مەوەسمەوەی کە ڕیکۆردمان کردووە و ئەگەر تەواو بێت بۆ دووشەممە بڵاوێکەمەوە. با دەست پێ بکەین ئێستاش. Chapter 6 چاپتەری شەشەم. After seeing the man swim away, I turned to the boy and asked him to swear that he would be faithful to me. After seeing the man swim away, دوایەوەی کە بینیم پیاوەکە ڕۆشت بە مەلەکردن مەبەستەوەی کە بە مەلەکردن دوور کەوتۆتەوە I turned to the boy واتە ئاوڕم دایەوە بۆ کوڕەکە and asked him و داوام لێ کرد to swear بۆی کە سوێن بخوات that he would be faithful to me کە ڕازگۆ ئەبێت لەگەڵم مەبەستەوەیە کە داوای لێ کردووە سوێن بخوات کە ڕازگۆ ئەبێت لەگەڵی faithful واتە ڕازگۆ He did as I asked ئەوەی کرد کە داوام لێ کرد In the meantime, I steered the boat toward the continent pretending we were heading there. In the meantime, wata lokataya, I steered the boat toward the continent. Pecham baba lamaka kirdawo barorui kishwaraka arroshtin. Steer wata pechi peakatawa, continent wata kishwar. Pretending we were heading there. Pretending we were heading there. وامان پیشان ایا که برو اوی اروین که لیر دام بستیوی ویستویتی پیاوکا که لناو آوکایو بملا ارواتو ویستویانا او بخالتینن I wanted to persuade the man swimming away that we were going in that direction when in fact I had something else in mind. I wanted to persuade the man swimming away امویست که او پیاوی که بملا اروشتو باوری پیبکم یا قایلی بکم که that we were going in that direction كأما بروي أو أراسته أروين when in fact لكاتك دال راستي دا I had something else in mind شتيجي ترم لمشكابو direction واتا أراسته After I lost sight of him I turned the boat towards the barbarian coast After I lost sight of him كاتك لبرشاو منبو I turned the boat toward the barbarian coast بيچم ببلمانكا كردو بروي کناراوی بربریەکان Barbarian واتە کەسانێکی درەندە یان کەسانێک کە لە شارستانێتەوە دوور بن This was dangerous because the natives could attack us but at least the pirates would not think of following us there This was dangerous ئەوە مەترسیدار بوو مەبەستەوەی کە مەترسیدار بوو بەرەو ئەو شوێنە بڕۆن because the natives could attack us لەبەرەوەی خەڵکە ڕاستەنەکان ئەکرا هێرش بکەنە سەرمان Attack us واتە هێرش بکەنە سەرمان But at least, بەڵام بەلایەنی کەمەوە, the pirates would not think of following us there. چەتە دەریاییەکان بیر ناکەنەوە کە بەرەو ئەو شوێنە دوامان بکەون یان بە عەقڵیانە ناچێت کە بۆ ئەم شوێنە دوامان بکەون. After it grew dark, I changed direction and tried to keep close to the shore. After it grew dark, کاتێک کە تاریک بوو یان دوای ئەوەی کە تاریک بوو, I changed direction, ئاڕاستەم گۆڕی, and tried to keep close to the shore وهەوڵمەدا لە کەناری دەریاکەوە نزیک بم The wind was good and I believe by the afternoon of the next day we were long gone from the land of the pirates The wind was good باکە باش بوو and I believe وبڕوام وابووکە by the afternoon of the next day بە دوایینەوەڕۆی ڕۆژی دواتر we were long gone from the land of the pirates ئێمە زۆر دوورکەوتبووینەوە لە خاکی چەتە دەریاییەکان. Still, I was so afraid of being captured by them again that I didn't stop the boat or go ashore for 5 more days. Still, واتە هێشتا مەبەستەوەی کە لەگەڵەوەی کە دوورکەوتوونەتەوە I was so afraid of being captured by them من زۆر ئەترسام کە لەلایەن ئەوانەوە بگیرم capture واتە ئەگیرێت Again, دووبارە مەبەستەوەی کە لەو ترساوە دووبارە بگیرێتەوە that I didn't stop the boat کە بەلەمەکەم نەوەستاند or go ashore یان نەڕۆشتم بۆ کەناری دەریاکە for 5 more days بۆ 5 ڕۆژی دیکە یان 5 ڕۆژی زیاتر On the 6th day, the wind changed. On the 6th day, لە ڕۆژی شەشەمدا the wind changed باکە گۆڕا I thought that even if they were following us, this must have made them change their minds. So I let the boat go close to the shore and we anchored in the mouth of a little river. I thought, wabirim akirdawa, that even if they were following us, katananat agar duashman pkaun, this must have made them change their mind. Abet ama, waile kirduman ka biruran bugorn. Mabastawe ka baka bashawazek bo ka neantuanyo doan pkaun. So I let the boat go close to the shore. Ragamda ka balamaka la kanari daryaka nazigbeto. And we anchored in the mouth of a little river. Walademi rubariki bchugda langer mangert. Anchor wata langer agret yan bakashti lishone ka awasit. Ka lavidei Treasure Island abasam kuro ka langer au shtea ka bak lanau kashtio ay khitanaw awaka boy kashtia ka najulat. I didn't know where we were. Namazani ka lekwing. I did not know where we were. Namazani ka lekwing. All we wanted was some fresh water. Hamu oy amanwist kemek awi pagbuyan kemek awi sasgarbu. Fresh water wata awi sasgar. We waited till it was completely dark, hoping to swim ashore unseen and get water. But as soon as night fell, we started hearing horrible cries from the shore. We waited till it was completely dark. Chawarwan mankir tabatawi tarigbu. Wait wata chawarwan akad. Completely wata batawawi, dark wata tarik, hoping to swim ashore unseen and get water. Hoping ba umedi away to swim ashore ba malabroin bo kanari daryaka, unseen ba beoy ka bibindain and get water wa awbad dasbehenin. But as soon as night fell, balam harka showhat, we started hearing horrible cries from the shore. Gueman la hawari tokenaru samnagbu la kanari daryako. Horrible wata samnak yan tokenar. Cry bamanay hawar yan griandet. The boy begged me not to go ashore. The boy kuraka begged me lemparayo not to go ashore. Kanarombo kanari daryaka. We remained on the boat, but we could not sleep because some 2 or 3 hours later, some creatures came to wash themselves in the water, making horrific noises I had never heard before. We remained on the boat. Wata lasar balamakamayno. Remain wata ameneto. But we could not sleep, balam namantuani binwin, ya namantuani bkhawin, because, labaraway, some 2 or 3 hours later, Duse saad duater, some creatures came to wash themselves in the water. Hande gyandar hatan bonaw awaka kahoyan pshon. Creature wata gyandar yan druskraw. Hatan boy lak naw awaka yahoyan pshon. Making horrific noises I had never heard before. Dengeki tirsnaku samnak yan drustakir ka hargiz peshter gömle nabubu. Horrific wata tirsnak yan samnak. The boy was extremely frightened and so was I. The boy was extremely frightened kuraka batawawi yan zorzor tersabu. Extremely wata zorzor. So was I. Bahaman shewa minish. We were even more terrified when we heard one of the creatures swimming toward us. We were even more terrified. Emma ziater tersanyan ziater tokain when we heard kate kaguman lebu, one of the creatures yekek la gyandarakan swimming toward us. Mamalakirden barolay emahat. The boy begged me to sail away, but I feared the creatures might follow us. The boy begged me to sail away. Kuraka lemparayo ka broin, but I feared the creature might follow us. Balaman at tersam gyandarakan duamam kaun. Instead, I took one of the guns and shot at the beast, which made him turn around and go back to the shore. Instead, lajatio, kamabastawe lajatio bron, I took one of the guns, yekek la damanchakanam derhena, and shot at the beast. Takamla gyandarakakid, beast, wata gyandariki daranda, yan lahanek shuen peotre da'ba, shtegila babata, which made him turn around ka amash wailekid pechpkatawa, Mawastoy katakakid na kawaile kido peshkato and go back to the shore. Wabrato bo kanari daryaka. Hearing the gunfire, all the other creatures started crying and shouting so hideously that I was convinced they had never heard a gun before. Hearing the gunfire, Duay Gubisbuni Takakan, all the other creatures, Hamugyandarakani Dika, started crying and shouting so hideously, Destyan Kidba Hawaru Kijandineki Awana Kezaunu Nashirin, that I was convinced Kaman Kailbum Yan Mendel Niabum they had never heard a gun before. Hadgis Peshter Guyan la Damanchanabo, Mawastoy Guyan la Takay Damanchanabo. Hideous Wata Kezaunu Nashirin. We abandoned all hope of getting water during the night and stayed on the boat until the morning. We abandoned all hope of getting water during the night. Hamu umedeki badasenani auman lo shoda ladazda. Abandon wata ladasti adat yan baje helat. And stayed on the boat wala sarbalamaka mainoa until the morning. Tao ku bayani. Bamshawesh video man ko tayhat. Agar video ko tanong make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends who agar ba mo dislike kan. Agar tanong video kayo dahat tumababinin, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Tawag video dahat ko lagaw.